what I make first. This one. Don't do like me when you start to craft this. Take the hand protection, because I'm cut a little bit one finger. I put all of this like this. I don't finish. I have 3 more. Up and down. This one up, and next one up, next one up. Like this. Okay, I finished this one too. Like this. Now you put this one over there, this one, and after that we need to put this one like this. Mine came a little bent here, like you see. Don't stay very well, but I fixed this, is not a problem. Now I finish. It's like this. I put this one here when I start to fix this, to stay very well in the position. And now I take out this one, if I can, with one hand. I think I cannot. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, this one is like the big one. It's not so good. You can see. But it's not a problem. This, in my case, is not good. He come like this. Okay, I put this one. I change this one. I put a bigger one. Made in China. Work very well, like you see. This is all. I was Julian. If you like my video and help you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. Don't cost you anything and help me a lot. Have a nice day.